Who doesn't like a cold start with GTR? Whoa. Anyway, how's it all going, folks? Tony here again, welcome back to the channel. Right, basically today we've got a modification for the GTR. It's not everybody's cup of tea, but it's my cup of tea and I like it. Right, today, back in the day, many years ago when I was a young chap, we used to have a Series 2 RS Turbo, and we used to have things called dump valves. And back in the day, they weren't that expensive. They were just used to make a noise. You won't believe how many times I like sound. Anyway, moving on. Right, today we're going to be fitting this bad boy here. Right, Turbosmart. This here I ordered from Litchfield Motors. And what can I say is that it's quite expensive, but anything for the GTR is expensive, we all know that. I ordered it and pretty much the day after it turned up, so absolutely brilliant delivery from Litchfield. Great company to deal with, what else can I say? And as we open the box, see them? For the men out there like me, right, them instructions. We've got to go online and read the instructions. It's not like you've got some from IKEA you want to build and don't read the instructions and there's about 10 screws left, which is what I usually do. Anyway, right, you get a free sticker, Turbosmart. Would I stick it on the car? Would I buggery? Right, have a nice piece of foam, do whatever you want with that. Anyway, right, let's get to the important bits. What do we have? Oh, by the way, folks, a lot of the videos people don't mention the cost of things. I don't care, whatever else. These aren't cheap. These, with delivery and the dreaded VAT, value added tax, come to the grand total of £600. Anyway, is it ever too expensive for the car? Well, it can be really, but there you go. A lot of money for what they are and for what they do. Anyway, good quality product, I think. Obviously, on the top here, we can actually adjust if you want to keep it basically as a circulating valve, which is basically what's on the car now. But we don't. We want the noises, so we want the atmosphere. Now, basically, this on top here, there's an O-ring. If I can just turn it back here, there's the O-ring. Now, when you fit these on your car, make sure that O-ring is covered up. Okay. Now, a lot of videos you see just show you people bolting these on, which I will. I'll show you bolting them on, but they never show you the setup. Now, if you go onto the site, right, it does instruct you. Basically, before you even fit these on, just have a look and warm your car up. Make sure you're clocking where your idle stops, you know, how your car behaves on first startup. So obviously the GTR, BMWs are the same as well. They start to high rev, basically to get all around quick, and then basically they'll drop off to I think it's about 950, 850 without sort of looking too far into it for the revs on tick over. So basically what we've got to do is this is going to be fitted on, and then basically if this is on softer or open up too much, the car will stall. It won't run correctly. So you've got to fine tune these, dial them in to what you want. Now, as in for people who are going to ask now, does the car need to be mapped after this? Litchfield, I've seen put a comment up on Facebook saying that it possibly might need a slight tune. The chances are not. So that's the owner's discretion, responsibility. I think that's just a get out thing for Litchfield, just to cover their asses really. But to be honest, if you set these up right on a standard stock motor, I can't see there being any problems. If there is, I mean, you know, I'm gonna shit myself and But that's me, I like to mess around with the cars. So in the box we get one, we get two, obviously because the Gtr is twin turbo. So we have two of them bad boys. We have the gaskets. We also have some spare hose, which doesn't look probably anything better that's not already on there. Also we have the blanking plugs, which we won't be using. I mean, come on, let's face it, I mean, the reason you buy these is for the car to make that lovely noise and take it back to when you were 17 or 18 in my case, which was about 5 years ago, I wish. So without further ado, we shall get the video rolling. Obviously we'll show you how to fit it, me and my son. Yeah, so hope you enjoy the video. Ciao ciao for now. Right people, job's done. It's a good one. Let's just show you. Have a look. How much better do they look? Whoa, 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 what's your bonnet? Right, sound in the car, yes, to sound better. Obviously you've got 80 revs up and down, so if you're in second gear, obviously just between 4,000 and 5,000 revs, up, down, obviously it releases and makes a noise. Do I think it's worth it? Yeah, I mean, me, definitely, that's just me. Also in the video you notice I put a caption on it that they are sided. So obviously you can basically put it so the trumpet, if you're going the wrong way around, is facing down, which obviously you don't want. So yes, apart from that, the sound of the cabin was really quite good. The sound from outside, obviously you've seen the video, so make up your own minds, but I'm not sure how good the mic will do, which is a good mic on top of my camera. I'm not sure how well it'll pick it up, but me personally, I think it sounds great. Again, big thanks to Litchfield, fantastic service. Hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe. See you soon folks.